Get ready, football fans, because Uber is offering you affordable shuttle rides to go to watch this year's FIFA World Cup games at 4 match venues in the US. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Uber plans to run shuttle services for the stadiums in New York, New Jersey, Boston, Miami, and Dallas, providing fans with an easy way to get back to their homes or their hotels. You can also get to the stadium using shuttles, but only in Miami. The shuttle seats are to be booked in advance, even if it's on the day of the match. Just tap the shuttle icon in-app, pay a flat rate fare of $45 to $49, and then present the QR code at shuttle boarding point. Seeing as transportation prices are expected to go through the roof during the matches, those prices aren't bad at all. Most matches are held at New York and New Jersey Stadium, and to get there, fans have to walk across unfriendly terrains and marshlands. But since pedestrian traffic is strictly prohibited on the roadways surrounding the venue, walking is not an option. Fans have to pay for such services. Besides, from shuttle services, Uber will also give customers access to turn-by-turn directions that'll guide them from their airport gates to their pickup locations. It'll be available to users traveling through host city airports in the US, Canada, and Mexico. Those watching matches in San Francisco, Seattle, Los Angeles, Atlanta, Vancouver, and Toronto will also get access to in-app directions that'll help them find the most efficient pickup spots from the stadium. Fans traveling in groups can use Uber Max to book a 14-man seater to and from the venue if they're watching games in New York, Miami, and Los Angeles. They can also select how long they want to rent the vehicle. But remember, the max limit is up to 8 hours. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.